Today we're having a look at how to make a web diagram using Google Slides. Now first of all, you might be wondering, what is a web diagram? Well, here's to give you a simple idea. So you have the main idea in the middle circle, and then it spreads out into the other ideas. Now in health we've been talking about leisure and then splitting it up into passive leisure and active leisure. So our challenge for today is to make a web diagram about leisure that splits into active and passive leisure, and give at least 3 different types for both of those. Okay, so first of all, we need to go up to the top here, go to the insert menu and insert a text box. Okay. Now that text box I'd like to be slightly bigger, so I'm going to make it thicker. I'm going to make it 8 points, and then I'd like the color to be yellow, so I pick color yellow. Okay, now in the middle we pick our font, we pick our size, and we type. We move it to the center, and then we highlight that and change the color to okay, and now we have our heading. Next of all, we need our next text boxes. Now there's 2 ways of doing that. We can either use the text boxes that we've got and copy and paste it, and just click off the current box, paste it and move it to where you want it. So, or else we could just go back up to insert text box and draw a new one in. Okay, so I want to change the color of this, so I'm going to make these ones dark blue, and I might actually make them a little bit, the border a little bit skinnier. Okay, and it's not leisure, it's passive leisure for this side. So I'm going to need to make my font a little bit smaller. Go up here and I'll pick a 18. Okay. Now that I've done one side, I'm just going to click on that box, copy and paste it, and move it over here, make it active leisure, and then let's change the color of the box. Might go with some relaxing green on this side. Okay, now that I've got my 2 sides, I want the boxes that go with active leisure, so I'm going to copy and paste. Okay, and I want 3 of these boxes, so click on Control V or right click, however you want to do it, and paste. Okay, then I also want to put in lines, so I need to go up here to insert a line, pick the type of line I want, and then click and drag down to the shape. Now it'll give me a black skinny line, so again I need to go and change the color and the size that I want. Okay, once I've done one, I can Control C, Control V to paste it, and put it here. And now that I'm doing this, I realize that I actually need to move it across, and so that I'll actually be able to draw lines down to each of them. There you go. And now we have that, and then I can put in, change these words for my types of active leisure instead. So just double click and highlight and delete that, and that side's all ready to go. Next up I need to do the other side, so we just click on these boxes and paste, and the same again, put one here and down the bottom and one in the middle, and then I go up here to insert line again and put it in there, pick the weight, pick the color, and then once I've got that I can copy and paste it repeatedly onto our boxes. Okay, and then I just need to change this text, change it to another color so that it'll stand out and be different from the heading. Okay, that looks great. Okay, and finally, now that you've completed your awesome leisure diagrams, you of course will have filled in each of these 3 boxes with cycling or book reading or whatever you're going to add. If you are using an iPad, you can screenshot it and export it as a JPEG and email it to me. Or if you're using a laptop, you can press PRTSC button, print screen in the top row. This copies it to the computer memory. Now open Docs or Word and paste it into a new doc using the shortcut Control-V, and then share or email it to me. If you're wondering how to share it, if you go up the top here, okay, and click on the share button, type in my email, and then you can share it with me. Or if you're on my iPad, you click on the Person Plus, and you can share it with me.